Hi everyone, Ben from Clearview here. Today we're going to do a demonstration on how to change your indicators from Cat 5 to Cat 6 on a compact mirror head. First step, what I'd like to do is put the mirror forward just to give yourself a bit more access and a bit more room to access the top. What you want to do is grab a reasonably sized flat-head screwdriver and pop the mirror down as far as possible. On one side, you'll want to sort of look for the locating tab. Locate one tab on one side, pop it like so. And on the other side, locate the other tab, pop that like so. And on this particular model, you'll notice the blind spot wiring as well as heated element wiring. Okay, so what you'll need to do in this process is essentially remove these black screws. So there's going to be 5 in the mirror head, and once you've removed the fascia off, this silver screw down the very bottom will be the one that releases the indicator from the front fascia. So you can do this one of two ways. One, you can either leave it hanging and remove the front fascia. However, that's only good if you haven't got wiring like so. In this instance, what we recommend is removing these heater wires and follow the clips for the wiring, and the same with the blind spot. Remove the blind spot and pop your mirror aside. Now what you want to do is remove your screws. Okay, so you'll notice that that'll loosen up the front fascia like so. What you want to now do is unscrew that, remove the silver screw, and then from the back side, what you'll need to also do is remove the clips that line up. So the top clip you need to push away from the mirror fascia, so toward the center, to loosen up that wire. And what you'll need to then do, something like a plastic pry tool or flat edge, use that to just prise this back, which is the indicator wires. Okay, that should free up that. Just make sure that you do it carefully so that you're not removing the rubber seal on the plug itself. From that, simply push from the front of the fascia and it just slides out like so. So what you want to do is unbox your category 6 indicator. And you'll get the film, just check your film. So what you'll notice between the category 5 or the Cat 5 versus the Cat 6, you'll see the clear lens on the Cat 6. These will be a lot brighter than your Cat 5 indicators. Okay, once you slid the Cat 5 indicator out, what you make sure that your blind spot's still through the same hole. What you want to do is grab your indicator, the Cat 6 indicator. You'll notice it's a clear glass, and you can just slide it through from the back. It'll locate itself within that point there. So that's how you do that. You either put the plug back on like so, or you could do it prior to putting the indicator on the front fascia, whichever suits you. But essentially, make sure it's got a secure connection there. Firstly, start with your silver screw. Just secure that in place. What you want to do is grab your other wires, just feed it through, seat that into position. And what you'll want to do next is grab your 5 black screws with the Phillips head, just button them up into place. Make sure not to over tighten this. Then you want to grab your convex mirror, plug in your heater wires, and it doesn't matter which side you plug it in, essentially they are just plug in like so. Your blind spot, what you want to do is run the cabling through again, so you can either pop it in as you removed it, like so. Okay, you'll see two tabs on either side of the blind spot. Use that to click in and it should set into place. Okay, so on the actuator, line it up. So these tags will go into these slots here, over the actuator through the center. Okay, with a full hand, just go through, press down the middle. You'll hear it crack like that, or a click, just to ensure that all of that is in the right position. What you then want to do is just test that they work. The indicators are available separately. We do offer it as a spare part if needed, or if you are ordering it from factory prior to installation, we can also have them arranged to be fitted with a Cat 6 indicator. So make sure you either notify Clearview or one of our local dealers closest to you.